Wait. 20x.
This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
Top Congress betting time's on. Plus, it's kind of interesting how you say, please don't promote violence while you're gambling. Should we promote gambling? Just curious. Actually, in Latvia, you can't promote gambling in TV shows, not TV shows, but on TV. Cash in with 5x and TOPSLOT. YouTube still does it, you know. Why does gambling kill anyone or slap anyone? Well, cash with 5x, awesome. See that? I won't gonna say anything about that question, but you can Google it and you'll have your answer. Alrighty, friends. Cash with 5x. This could be a big one. Let's do it. Ooh, a lot of 75s, which is good, and 100x as well. We gotta multiply it by 5. So highest will be 500x, and we have 375s, 125. Let's go. Let's do it. Oh, let's do it. Come on. Mixing it up. Everything is mixed up. There is 500x. Aim and shoot. Will you get it? Now I'm promoting violence with shooting, you know. Gun violence. Promoted by Jacques. Let's see. What
This is the amount of money issued 291,170 for euros.
500x. Woohoo! Congratulations to the players that won. 47 players got 500x, 220 players got 375x, 5.2 thousand players won. In top we have Dive A, B, and 5. Top one 19,000 euros. Let's go. That was a better one.
No, 60. 260 Ilya as well. Okay, here we go. Welcome to the game. Crazy time. This is wonderful. Good luck. All the bets are closed. Okay. Right. 2x on Pachinko. Oh yeah, now we're cooking, guys. We got a Pachinko with a 2x here. Now that is really lovely. Okay, guys, let's see what's cooking here on the board. Yes. So the least we can get 10x. That's nice. Yeah. Let's see. Ooh, we got a 200x over here. We got a 100. We got a 80. We got a 70. We got a 30. Things are pretty good. Let's go upstairs. Come. No? What's going on? Okay. Let's go! Good luck, everybody. Maybe it's going to be a big one. Really cool. Let's see. 200x. Incoming.
This is the amount of money issued 888,114 euros.
200x Pachinko. We did it. We maxed it out.
$5x on the cash hunt, by the way. Let's see what you got. Bingo! Now that's what I like to see. Boom, ladies and gentlemen, it's time for the cash hunt. Follow me, everybody. Follow me, and we got a little bonus to go with it as well. 5x. It's gonna be pretty spicy, I'll say. Ladies and gentlemen, smack a multiplier on top of everything you see. Put a 5x on it. That's more like it. Ladies and gentlemen, max multiplier is 500x. Let's go. Let's see what you got, everybody. Shake them up, shake them up, shake them up. Shuffle. And now's the time you guys have to make a decision. So go for the aim and see what you got. Let's see what we got. Decision time is almost done, everybody. We're going to see the big reveal soon, so let's check it out.
This is the amount of money issued, 384,533 euros.
Multipliers. Congratulations, ladies and gentlemen. Cash Hunt with a 5x surprise. Beautiful. Teban, beautiful one for you, by the way, the top winner. Excuse me. Joster, you're the top winner this time with 250x. Great stuff. Good luck, everybody.
Tell me if I'm wrong, though. 3x not great this time. Hi, Simon. Welcome. How's your weekend? I'm gonna watch the marathon. Ooh, crazy time. 3x, ladies and gentlemen, shall we? Alright, alright, alright. Come with me. Alright, alright, alright. Welcome. Alright, ladies and gentlemen. Well, first and foremost, multiplier first. Woo! And decision time is now all yours. You have to pick out that flapper. I wish you best of luck with that prediction. Okay, I see most of you lean towards the blue. 300 is the highest one. Let's spin it. Good luck. Okay, I see a double on the yellow. $600 is the highest one now. Let's spin again. Go, 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 go. Go get it. Come on.
This is the amount of money issued, 614,482 euros.
See blue, 45 green, 300 yellow. Whew, heavens the best see. Congratulations to all the winners. Top winner, I see you got that yellow. Somebody nicknamed Poopy. Bye, take care. Senex and Cashin. They also are not letting you to change the nickname. Ooh! Cashin, 7x, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go. Let's go do some hunting, shall we? With a 7x. Ooh! Okay, by the way, welcome here, buddy. Okay, multipliers. 100 is the highest one, but first and foremost, 7x. Here you go. Okay, beautiful. Looking very, very good. 1000 is the highest one. Let's shuffle them then. Let's go! Wish you best of luck, ladies and gentlemen. Cannot wait. I wish you to find out 700x, but most of them now are beautiful multipliers because of that TOPSLOT win, so good luck. Alrighty, decision time is all yours. You have to pick out now. Which one? Luis, good luck with the pick. You don't want to pick yourselves, there's an auto pick. It's still gonna do it for you anyway. I'm nervous as well.
This is the amount of money issued, 598,133 euros.
Little column, ladies and gentlemen. So, let me see. 117 of you, and 422 of you got a 350x. Oh! 11k plus winners. Salutations! 1 second. Ah! Excuse me? That's close. Did you just say worst board?
All dogs together. Hey, guys, listen. This is my new nickname, Mr. TOPSLOT. Crazy time. 3x. Woo! Let's go. Ha! Adding that spicy 3x. Okay. Bam. Okay, guys, go on. Check it out. Choose the flapper. Green, blue, or yellow. Bam. Good luck, guys. Let's do it.
This is the amount of money issued: 1,239,033 euros.
$1,345 of you. Well done. Bye-bye, Sienna. It was nice talking for you a bit. And let's go. So yeah, bird jokes. Do we have actual jokes with birds? Taika, what do you mean? I think someone at Crazy Time baked them there, which is why she's no longer hosting. Catch on with the 5x. Sammy Sienna have to catch the birds. Yeah, I believe that's her ritual at work every day. And look at that. Cash hunt time. And now, you're gonna be the ones who are gonna be catching something. Multipliers. So, welcome to the cash hunt. Swedish place, matching my pants, lovely. 5x top slot coming on the screen, even lovelier. Excuse me, the highest multiplier is 2,500. Just letting you know that. And let's go. Look at the shiny board. Down for that. And now, players, it's time for you to make your decisions. I'm sending you lots of luck. If you won't make your decisions, they will be made automatically. And I'm actually excited to see what did you got, so let's do the grand reveal right now. So
This is the amount of money issued: 66,167 euros.
highest multiplier. Cannot see it, but you know, you did well. Congratulations. Over 2,200 of you have B, George, Jess, and DFC. Top 4 winners. Special compliments coming your way. Let's see where else the wheel in the game is going to take us. So somewhere nice, somewhere that we haven't been.
Gonna be crazy, man. Now this is gonna be crazy. Bro, I don't believe it. 20x on the cash one? Bro, I got the shivers. Oh man, look at all those hundreds. Now, wait. 20x. That's crazy. 2000x is a bit... Do you see what's happening? 2000x. Okay, let's mix those figures up. Now, this is gonna be massive. I wasn't expecting that. I was like, what? Woo! Alright, now, pick which one is your favorite, but do it responsibly. Let's get those 200 for all of you. Alright. Can you flip the wheel with the other hand, only for one spin? No, we have a rule that we only spin from the side we are standing from.
This is the amount of money issued: 200,438 euros.
3 times the 2,000s, another 2,000. Man, 117 players with the 2,000s. And 1,794 winners. For Tangamall, GHS, Vicard, Surat on top of this. Place your bets once again. That was massive. So let's go for another one. Hey, Code Man, massive. Bets are once again close. Let's get it. Hey, Cody Kokim, massive.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.